are there also. Okay, so I hope this is very much clear. Now let's start the next command, that is explode. I have already explained you join. Join means what? Let me recall that. Suppose this is a line, multiple lines I am drawing just by left clicking. Now you can see these lines are different. Different means they are separate. They are connected, but they are not joined. See, they are connected. They are connected. They are touching each other, but they are not joined. So you have to use join command. J enter. Join command, J enter. Select all the, suppose I want to join only this lines. So select only this particular lines. Either you can select this or you can directly left click on it. You can select that. Enter. So only this lines will be joined. Okay, so they are joined and also connected. Connected means they are touching each other. But here, this line, this line, this line, and this line, they are touching each other. They are connected to each other, but they are not a single entity. They are separated. How to join them? J enter. Now see, if you select this, now this whole particular line will be selected as a single object or single entity. So select this, this, enter. Now all lines are of same. Now explode, EXPLODE, explode command. See, you can see here, it will directly suggest us explode. Enter. Now select the objects. Actually, explode is, what can I say? It is the opposite of join. Explode means if you select the object and press enter. Now see, all the lines are not joined now. They are exploded. Now they are different entities. They are different entities. Okay, they are different entities. Yes. So explode. Suppose if I draw a rectangle, this is a rectangle. If I use explode, now you can see that I have already explained you. If I draw a rectangle using rectangle command, then if you choose one side, if you select one side, how to select? Left click, again left click at some other point. So it will be selected. So you can see if I select this side, then whole of the rectangle, whole of the other three sides will also get selected. If this is so, then what is the option? What can I do? I can explode if I want this all four sides to be different, or you can say they are separated. So see, they will be touching each other, okay, but they will be exploded. Go to explode command, select the object, enter. Now you can see this rectangle is exploded. Similarly, you can do this for different objects, different things. Explode, it is just opposite to join. We'll explain you some projects as well regarding this, don't worry. Now let's move